Past Perfect English.
Listen, learn, and speak with confidence.
Welcome back to your Shadowing English Speaking practice. This session is designed to help you relax into English, not rush through it. During this practice, you will listen to natural English sentences and repeat them out loud. Try to shadow my voice as closely as you can. The rhythm, the stress, the flow. Do not worry about mistakes. You do not need perfect English here. You only need to speak. If you miss a sentence, that's okay. If your pronunciation feels slow, that's okay too. What matters is that you keep going. Find a comfortable place, sit or stand naturally, and let your shoulders relax. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. When you're ready, let's begin. Tomorrow, I have an important presentation. Tomorrow, I have an important presentation. Now you repeat. I want to feel prepared and confident. I want to feel prepared and confident. Now you repeat. I start by organizing my ideas. I start by organizing my ideas. Now you repeat. I open my notes and review the main points. I open my notes and review the main points. I think about my audience. I think about my audience. What do they need to understand? What do they need to understand? I simplify my message. I simplify my message. Clear communication is more important than complicated words. Clear communication is more important than complicated words. I create a simple outline. I create a simple outline. First, I will introduce the topic. First, I will introduce the topic. Then, I will explain the key ideas. Then, I will explain the key ideas. Finally, I will summarize the main points. Finally, I will summarize the main points. I practice speaking out loud. I practice speaking out loud. At first, my voice feels slightly nervous. At first, my voice feels slightly nervous. That is normal. That is normal. I slow down my pace. I slow down my pace. I focus on clear pronunciation. I focus on clear pronunciation. I pause between sentences. I pause between sentences. Pausing makes me sound more confident. Pausing makes me sound more confident. I imagine the room where I will speak. I imagine the room where I will speak. I imagine standing calmly at the front. I imagine standing calmly at the front. I picture myself breathing steadily. I picture myself breathing steadily. I continue practicing. I continue practicing. I adjust parts that sound unclear. I adjust parts that sound unclear. I remove unnecessary information. I remove unnecessary information. Shorter sentences feel stronger. Shorter sentences feel stronger. I time my presentation. I time my presentation. It is slightly longer than expected. It is slightly longer than expected. I decide where I can shorten it. I decide where I can shorten it. Preparation reduces anxiety. Preparation reduces anxiety. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink some water. I drink some water. Then I practice again. Then I practice again. This time, my voice feels steadier. This time, my voice feels steadier. I make eye contact with an imaginary audience. I make eye contact with an imaginary audience. I keep my posture upright. I keep my posture upright. I remind myself to smile gently. I remind myself to smile gently. A calm smile changes my tone. A calm smile changes my tone. I focus on sharing, not performing. I focus on sharing, not performing. I am sharing useful information. I am sharing useful information. I do not need to be perfect. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to be clear. I only need to be clear. Mistakes are natural. Mistakes are natural. Confidence grows with practice. Confidence grows with practice. I review my opening sentence once more. I review my opening sentence once more. I review my closing sentence once more. I review my closing sentence once more. I imagine finishing successfully. I imagine finishing successfully. The audience nods in understanding. The audience nods in understanding. I feel proud of my effort. I feel proud of my effort. I close my notebook. I close my notebook. I take one deep breath. I take one deep breath. I am ready for tomorrow. I'm ready for tomorrow. You've reached the end of today's shadowing English speaking practice. Take a moment to notice how your voice feels now. Notice how your breathing feels. Notice how English feels in your body. You don't need to judge your performance. Showing up and speaking is already progress. Even if some sentences felt difficult, your brain was listening, copying, and learning. That work continues after you stop speaking. For today, this is enough. Drink some water. Rest your voice. Let the language settle naturally. If you'd like, come back tomorrow and practice again. Consistency matters more than intensity. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Past Perfect English, and I'll see you in the next session.